Okay, welcome to my channel. Dynamic Tools, Gray Tools. Sent me some more tools to review, so it's going to be a good one. Let's get into it. All right. Like I said, Dynamic Tools sent me these to do a review on them. I did not pay for them. Thank you very much, Dynamic Tools, Gray Tools. And there's the part number. Just figured you'd want to see the package. I'm not sure. Okay, here we go. I guess you can see all that. There's all the sizes and everything. If you need to pause it, pause it. Alright, so let's get this thing opened up and show you a little bit better. Okay, as you can see, it comes in this nice case, just like the 1/2-inch drive set did that they sent me. It has a little foam thing there. Thank you, keep it from blowing away. Hopefully the fan over there is not bothering anybody too bad. I'm sorry about that. If it is, it's hot in here, so I gotta have it. I'll just show you the lid. Okay, and it looks like the shallows and the metrics go from 6 to 19. And the deeps go from 6 to 20. So the metric is in the lid. And the standard is down here. And it looks like it goes from 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Oh no, wait, it goes from 1/4 inch to 1 inch, which I showed you the package. It says the sizes on it. Same with the shallows. Scoot it up a little bit. Comes with a breaker bar. It's a little on the short side. It ain't much bigger than the, well, it ain't any bigger than the ratchet. It should have been a little longer. Extensions made the same way as the 1/2-inch drive extensions. That's pretty cool. So if you're in a tight spot and you can't get a ratchet up on top of it, you can put a wrench on it if you had to. That's pretty sweet, and it comes with a swivel. Let's see, let's get the 7/8 out to show you the inside, the knurling on it. This is pretty awesome. I tell you, I've used the 1/2-inch drive set a little bit. And they're awesome tools. I like the way this etching is on it for the size. It's pretty cool. I like that. And you can actually feel it in there. This is going to come in handy, just like the 1/2-inch drive set. It's in such a nice case. I'm not taking it out of the case. I'll probably put this in my truck to use, or just put it up on top of my toolbox and leave it in the case. That way if I do have to use it out somewhere, I can just grab it and go. It is awesome. I suppose it does have the metal pins in it that you could knock out if you wanted to put it in a drawer. You know, it may be side by side instead of like this, if you didn't have a very deep drawer. let me get the camera put up here, and that way I can hold the tools and show you a little bit better. Okay, now I'm not going to hold every tool up and show you, but I will hold a couple of them. I just showed you the 7/8. Here's the 20mm deep. Like I said, these tools are awesome. Here's your breaker bar. And it does have the defense, just like the 1/2" drive set. I like that. That's cool, that way it ain't just flopping around. And like I said, the extensions have like a wrench head on the end of it, or a bolt, where you can put a wrench on it if you needed to. This is, I'm assuming, the 6". And this, I guess, is the 3". These tools are awesome. Like I said, I have used the 1/2" drive set some. Can you hear that? Guess you could see that. They're awesome. It holds the socket on pretty good. Obviously, because it's got a push button. Some of them don't really hold that good though. And I like that. That is awesome. Kind of wish the ratchet was a little bit longer. It don't have to be much longer though. It's about the same size as the snap-on ratchet, I guess. I would think. Whoops, dropped another one. Anyway, let me get the paper over here. See if I can see how many teeth this ratchet has in it. All right, it says right there, sorry about that, I'm not trying to flip you the bird, but it says 45 teeth. That's pretty cool. That's weird though, because it almost sounds like it's more. But I mean, you know, that'd probably be a good durable ratchet. Seems like the more teeth they have, the easier they are to strip out. I don't know, that's just my experience. Let me know down in the comments if you had the same experience. Alright, here's the 1". I guess you can see the etching on there. I wish you could witness this. I mean, it's not just like, some of them actually look like they're just printed on. This you can actually feel like it's in the metal. I like that. That is awesome. Well, that's all I got for this video. Hope you liked it. Like I said, I did not pay for these. They sent me these to do a review on. I really appreciate you, Gray Tools, Dynamic Tools. I think I showed they have a lifetime warranty. Gray Tools is out of Canada. I really do appreciate it. Till next time, like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.